现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another round of Hakka Music here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this band you're listening to is called the Da Bong Band, led by Liu Rongcang. Now, they're no strangers to the Golden Melody Awards, and all the members have very strong musical backgrounds. They want to preserve tradition, and so they use a lot of lyrics to folk songs in their music, and a lot of traditional instruments mixed with modern music. 今天介绍给大家的是刘荣昌 and 打邦尼乐团哦。而现在听到的歌有没有感觉很有爵士风味啊？不过其实他们常常引用3个歌词哦，而这首歌叫做打邦尼。那到底打邦尼是什么意思呢？ What does 打邦尼 or 大邦mean? We're gonna tell you after we listen to a little piece right here.
很多夜味，你会甜么？做得轻松一下么？爱的头前，含表情多给路爱行，浮上天数，回忆的事情也变多自然。头摆爱唔的路向奈回行，目中的欣赏天堂给你讲。千香，我見的思量，人生嘅方向，打幫你老愛講，打幫你皮愛行，打幫你老愛。
So this song is called Da Bong, and that means blessed to have you or thanks to you, as the band members thanks their friends and family for all their support. 其实打邦你啊，并不是要打谁的意思哦，客语里面意思就是幸好有你，多亏有你哦。那透过这首歌曲呢，是不是呢也让你想到一些曾经在你生命中出现的贵人或家人呢？而 ICRT 呢，也透过这首歌曲来感谢所有的听众，谢谢你们，幸好有你们，大邦And there you have it. That does it for today's Hakka Music on ICRT.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.